Hey guys, it's Chef Alan here from the Body Holiday in beautiful St. Lucia. We've got some lovely recipes coming your way. Today we're going to do a very healthy, quick lunch. I'll call it a Singapore noodle steam fry. We've got a brown rice vermicelli. Now again, if you don't have vermicelli, you could use a soba noodle, you could use the egg noodles, even the little 2-minute noodles. I'm sure you've all hoarded up with them in isolation. I've got some lovely vegetables here, starting with some carrots, zucchini, broccoli, coriander, ginger, garlic, onions, mangoes, some lovely fresh lemongrass, tomatoes, and some snow peas. If you've got some green and red peppers, that's even better. We don't have any here at the moment, but they add a nice crunch to it. I'm also going to do a little omelette to start off with. That's your protein for this actual lunch. And then, of course, because it's Singapore noodles, we've got paprika, turmeric, I've got a bit of curry powder, which is actually local to Jamaica, a little bit of chili. Again, that's optional if you don't like it spicy. My favourite lemon juice, because I'm not using salt, a little bit of olive oil, and then the gluten-free tamari soya sauce. Okay, so again, it's great for gluten-free people, and that's available in the UK and everywhere else in any health food shop. Okay, here we go. So first we're going to start making the omelette. So bowl, nice organic eggs. I'm just going to pop them in like so. Put this over here. And again, the key to this is we want to get some flavour. So I'm going to give them a nice little whisk. Throw them in like so. Get them nice and whisk. Bit of the gluten-free tamari in there. That's going to make it taste absolutely sensational. Going to take just a little bit of pepper. Put that in. And again, there's no need for salt now because we added the tamari. It's nice and salty. And just for me, I'm going to put in a little bit of chili because I like it. But again, that's optional. We'll just give it a whisk. Like so. Beautiful. And again, that also makes a nice omelette. If you're just hungry and need a quick snack in the afternoon, 2 eggs, boom. Takes 2 minutes to make. Okay, now let's cook this. So I'm just moving the egg around. It's going to cook very quickly. Okay, I'm going to roll it. Roll it over. Okay, I'm going to roll it. That's it basically. Bam. So I've got my pan fairly hot. Now I'm adding the olive oil. You could also use coconut oil as well. It's completely up to you. I used a bit extra oil here because it's actually fried noodles. Probably going to be using a bit of water again just to get that nice steam frying. So we're not putting too much in. Again, a very nice selection here. You've got the carrots, peppers, mangoes, onions, the broccoli, mushrooms. I even put some green pumpkin seeds in there as well, but really, you can throw in whatever you've got available at home. Obviously, I'd like to throw in some coriander, add some lemongrass if you wanted to as well. And I'm just going to seal it. Now it's on quite high heat, just want to make sure it gets a little bit crispy. And then we're going to just add in a bit more water, just to, again, steam fry. Yeah, and very nice, beautiful colours there. And again, it's fantastic. You can use anything in your fridge that's available. It's a great way to use up leftovers. Bit of water. Start to look quite nice now. Again with the broccoli, just try and actually cut it in uniform pieces. As you can see, it's just been sliced down, so you don't have big chunks of broccoli which will undercook and some that won't. So make sure you just keep it nice and uniform. I'm just going to keep steam frying. Then we're going to get our noodles. And again, these are any sort of noodles you can get. I'm using the brown rice vermicelli, but you could use the gluten-free soba, egg noodles if you prefer. You could even do it with a spaghetti. So that's steaming away nicely. There we go, putting in the noodles. Now these have already been cooked for about 1.5 minutes, and I've just strained them just in some hot boiling water. So again, if you're using different types, just follow the instructions on the packets that you buy, and then make sure they're nice and clean. Now we've got here the spices going in. So again, I'm just popping that in now. You can do that at the beginning as well if you prefer. I like mine extra spicy, so I've added a bit extra turmeric, a bit extra chili, a bit extra paprika, fresh lemon juice, because again, I'm not using salt. Just give it a nice stir around. You got those lovely flavours coming through. So yeah, it's starting to look quite nice now. And again, don't be afraid to experiment with the spices. You know, if you prefer ginger, use a ginger. And only a bit of soya here. This is the tamari gluten-free soy sauce. Give it a nice stir. And that's basically done. Very quick. And there you go, guys. A healthy, nutritious, quick lunch. That took about 5 minutes to do. And again, I've used the brown rice vermicelli. Again, if you want to have the gluten-free, go for the soba noodles. If you have the normal noodles at home, not a problem. Again, you can use rice. You know, if you don't have noodles, please feel free to use rice. And if you don't like the curry flavour, just stick with the tamari, the gluten-free tamari. Add a bit of extra lemon, maybe some manuka honey. Again, very good for antibacterial. And there's our nutritious lunch. And again, low in calories. I'm going to put the eggs, and now I've just chopped the egg omelette up. Pop that on, that's a little bit of protein there. Put that on top. I'll tell you, that will get you through to dinner. And then just to garnish, some nice scallions that we've just got from the garden here. Or spring onions, as we say. So again, yummo. There you have a really quick 7-8 minute healthy noodles. Enjoy, and I can't wait to see you back at the Body Holiday next time. Thank you very much.